Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Bryce Napier. A little bit about myself. I'm 26 years old, born and raised in lovely Los Angeles, California. That's the skyline you guys can see here in the background. I did my undergrad studies at the University of Arizona. I started studying business there, thinking that's the sector I wanted to go into, but I quickly realized after my freshman year that I did not want to be in a suit and tie every day. My sophomore year, I transferred over to the education program. And their education program there at Arizona was awesome because it allowed me to stay on the sports side of things as well. So I got to take some sports management classes, which I was really interested in. Following my time at the University of Arizona, I came back to Los Angeles. I got into teaching and coaching right away. I am currently at LaSalle High School. It's a small Catholic high school in Pasadena, California. I started as a sub and a football coach. I subbed for freshman health, which was an interesting course to start teaching with freshmen and teaching them about some of the topics in health. But it was a good place to start for me. I've been coaching football there. This will be my fifth year. I absolutely love it. I played football all my life. I was fortunate enough to have my dad as my coach all my life. It's definitely in my blood, and it's something I can see myself doing until I'm no longer working with kids, truthfully. This most recent year, I started coaching girls softball. I won't tell my football guys this, but I probably enjoyed it a little bit more than I did working with them. Um, this course, most interested in really just staying up to date with things. You know, kids these days, they're basically born with the phone in their hand. They've got everything at their fingertips, and truthfully, I feel like if you fall behind in technology, you're not going to be able to relate to these kids. And I'm working with kids who are ranging from 13 years old up to 18 years old, and they're constantly on their phone, whether it's social media or using their tablets in class, which every kid at my high school uses. So if I fall behind in that, I'm not going to be able to relate to them. Uh, Most looking forward to in the near future would be traveling to New York to visit my dad. He moved out there about 3 years ago. He's coaching and teaching out there still, but it's definitely different not having your family close, and I was so used to that my whole life. So I'm definitely looking forward to that trip coming up here in a couple months. If I was to give myself a report card, I would give myself an A plus in eating sweets. I definitely have a sweet tooth. Would give myself an A plus in watching football on Sundays. I tell people that it's part of my job research since I'm a football coach, but truthfully, I just love watching it. And I'd probably give myself an A in staying active. Working with kids, especially in football, if I don't stay active and I get out there and I'm tired or I'm not able to move around, the kids will, one, they'll give me a hard time, and two, I wouldn't be a very good coach anymore. So uh, that's my self-report card and a little bit about myself. I'm definitely looking forward to this course and meeting you guys. Hope you guys all have a great day.